Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube autoplay option not showing problem or autoplay option not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, go to manage apps, search YouTube application, go to YouTube application, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube autoplay option not showing problem or not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.